Good morning. Another early day work. Houndoom isn't a favorite berry, but I'm trying to make Inferno Corn Keema Curry today, and my Houndy has the herbs. And Charizard's got the sausages. Mew's handling herbs too, but Mew gave me a bunch of eggs when I woke up, so Mew needs a little help. But actually, probably switch my Houndoom for my Gengar that has helping bonus during the day. I just wanted Houndoom to get the experience. Let's see. 24, 48. I'd probably have enough sausage for the day. Is this the one? Oh, I didn't even look at the sausage. What's this stupid ice beach ball? Ew. Well. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. So we've got oil and sausage. I don't need cookout beans, but Ninetales can help me get more herbs, and I'll have to reevaluate this a little bit later. For now. We're just gonna make something over here. Excuse me. Not real talky this morning. I have been listening to Arabian Nights on Audible. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. You should check it out. Alright. Review. Man, I need some coffee. What does that look like to you? Okay. What can we get for slumbering? Oh, Lobtar would be okay. Farfetch'd would be okay. But we got Celia. Squirtle. Okay. I spied with my tired eyes a couple berry specialists that I could use. for sample time. I was hoping for something more. Alright, I was just like, man, I'm happy to buy another biscuit or leave it. Biscuit it or leave it. I know. I don't have to make such a terrible choice. Man, I'm looking forward to a cold plunge. I don't know if I heard anybody say they wanted anything like this. I'm trying to remember who wanted Aron candy, but since I can't think right now, I'm gonna just send out koala ones. Maybe somebody will be nice and send Meowth candy, but they're probably not going to do that to their entire research community, just for me, even though I do it for you. Quirky. ABA. Okay, Obi. Meh. It's got some speed. Nothing super fabulous. Alright, well, now the game is over. So, Team Rocket's blasting off at the speed of light. Like and subscribe or prepare to fight. Smell you later.